Hello. So today we're going to be doing the November unboxing of Boxy Charm. There are some really nice items in this box this month, so I wanted to go ahead and do a try on for you so I can show you how some of the products actually performed on my face. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned for that. Before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, now would be a great time to do so. I put up 1 to 2 videos a week, and they're usually reviews, unboxings, and makeup type try on videos. So let's go ahead and get onto this unboxing so we can see what came in the November BoxyCharm box. So this box this month is actually super makeup related, and I'm really happy with it. It's called Goal Digger, and if you're unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, you usually get 5 to 6 full-size products for the month, and the box is $21 a month. The first item I have for you is from Ace Beauty, and it is the Grandos palette. You get 8 different shadows in here. You get 4 mattes and 4 shimmers in here. So I went ahead and did a look so you can see how these eyeshadows perform. So let's go ahead and get onto that. The first color I used was Patchouli, which is an all over light color shadow for the lid. And that went on pretty well. I expected it to be less pigmented, but I think that there was enough pigment in the Patchouli color. So I thought it was a really good choice to put in this palette. Then the second color I went in with was Cinnamon, which was a brownish color in the palette. It's a really pretty brown staple color. I think it blended really nicely, and I enjoyed that color as well. The third color I went in was Poppy, which is the burgundy color here. I think that color went on really beautifully as well. None of them had any skipping or anything like that, so the shadows are really nice, for me anyways. They blended really nicely. Then I went ahead and used a little bit of Clover here, which is the peach color. I used that just to kind of add a little bit of, I don't know, peach in there. No reason whatsoever other than the fact that I wanted to use that color. And then I went in with Jasmine, which is the shimmer color here in the middle of the lid, and I think the eye look came out really nice. I also used Cinnamon on the lower lash, and I blended it out with Poppy as well. I think the look came out really nice with this palette. I think this is a beautiful palette. I love the color combination that they put into this palette. So these are the kind of colors that I love to use. I'm really excited to have gotten this palette, and I think it worked out really nicely. And this palette is $24.99 if you bought it at Ace Beauty or on the BoxyCharm website. So that's actually not a bad price for this palette. I think it's a well put together palette, and I think that all the shadows blended really nice. So I would not complain about this palette whatsoever. The next item I used was the CoverFX drops. CoverFX drops are $44 for this bottle. If you know what CoverFX drops are, if you haven't used them before, they're basically a liquid that you can use for highlight. This one has a lot more glitter in it than I would want to use for a highlight, but I did put it on today with the highlight, and I ended up going back with the powder and kind of brushing it off a little bit because the glitter particles in this particular product are really big. The color that I ended up getting was Nova. So I can show you what it looks like here. So that's what it looks like swatched on my hand there. It's really pretty. I also use this in the center of my eye as well for the shadows, and I think it works really well to give a pop of shine right in the middle of the eye. This is a product that I would not use on my cheeks. As you can see, I did use it today, and I did have to kind of go over it a little bit because of the glitter, but I do enjoy it right in the eye. I think that it does really well there. So this is something that you can use as a pop of color in the eye if you don't want to use this as a highlight. You can also use this before your foundation to add a little bit of glow. You can use it, I think you can use it on your lips. There's a lot of different places you can use this. You can use it on your body. So it's not just for the face, you can also use it on the body. So if you're interested in something like this, you can purchase these at on the BoxyCharm website. You can also get them at CoverFX.com, and I believe you can also get them at Sephora. The next item I have in the collection are a set of brushes, and these brushes are from Luxy. If you haven't used any brushes from Luxy before, you are missing out. They do a really good job on their brush sets. This particular brush set is $21. For me, this is a very tiny brush set. As you can see, the wands on these are super, not the wands, but the actual applicators on these brushes are really tiny. So these are, for me, more of a detail work type of brush. They're not like ones that I would use all over the lid or anything like that. So these are really good to get get into small areas on your face or on your eye, right in the creases, maybe to blend out something that you may have misused, or to add just a pop of color in a certain area. These are really good for that. I always enjoy smaller brushes because it does allow you to get a lot of detail work done. So I did use these in the look today. You can see how these brushes actually performed. I think they do really well for being the size that they are. I just found these to be really nice to use. So these are all from Luxy, and they all have a gold handle with glitter on them, a gold ferrule, and then really soft bristles. So I do like these a lot. So if you got these, let me know what you think about these in your box. The next thing I got is from Jonta Blue, and it is a eyeliner. So I've gotten many eyeliners from Jonta Blue. I've never been too excited about them. This one, on the other hand, actually worked really nice. It worked okay for me to go ahead and use as a liner. It's not the softest, creamiest eyeliner, but it does get the job done. I'm not partial to the glitter in it. It's good for me for the top of the lid, but I won't be putting this in my waterline because of the glitter. I don't want it to, you know, affect my eyes anyhow. Anyway, I'm kind of always leery of putting glitter in my eye. It didn't work bad. I wasn't expecting much out of it, but I'm happy that it actually performed. And this particular brush is a $5 brush. So this brush is the Jonta Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner, if you're interested in that one. And then the last product I got in the box are Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. The box is like this, and I do have the lashes on right now. I think that these are really nice lashes. I love the box that they come in. A really nice sturdy box. 100% vegan, false made from premium silk fiber, gives you a lashes dimension, natural looking length volume. I believe so. I think that they're really natural looking. I don't mind these at all. I can't feel them on my eyes whatsoever. They're not heavy at all, which is really nice. They were easy to put on. They were very large, so I had to cut them down by a lot, which is good because everybody has different shaped eyes. So this will work for a lot of people if they have bigger eyes than me and they need like a longer lash. This will work. They were really long. I did cut a big portion off of these lashes for my eyes. So these are a $14.99 lash. So I think they're really nice. It doesn't say how many uses you get out of them, but I'm assuming if you take really good care of them, you should be able to get at least 5 or 6 different looks using them. So I do like these lashes. I thought they were really nice, and they feel really light on the lashes. So I'm really happy to have gotten those. So I don't know the weight on my box, but it's box number 3. Let me go ahead and add this up for you real quick. So my BoxyCharm box added up for $109.98 this month, which again is not bad for paying $21 a month. If you haven't already subscribed to BoxyCharm, I highly suggest it. You get really nice items. I mean, sometimes it's hit or miss depending on what month they're in, but for the most part, I've enjoyed every product that's come in my BoxyCharm box. So if you are interested in that, there is a link down in the description for you to sign up there. That link does give me BoxyCharm charms, so if you don't want to do that, just go ahead and head over to BoxyCharm's website and sign up there. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this try-on. Let me know if you have any questions about BoxyCharm and what you thought about this month's box. Alright, I shall talk to you guys within the week, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!